In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. This helps you save cellular data and usually gives you a faster, more stable internet connection, which is especially helpful for video calls, streaming, and app updates. I'll walk you through the easiest way to get connected, plus a quick alternative and some simple troubleshooting tips. Start by opening the Settings app. Look for the icon that looks like gray gears on your home screen and tap it. Near the top of the Settings menu, tap Wi-Fi. If the switch that's to Wi-Fi is gray, tap it to turn it on. It should turn green. Your iPhone will immediately start searching for nearby networks. When you see your home network name, tap it. If you notice a small lock icon next to the name, that means it's secured, which is a good thing. A box will appear asking for the password. This is sometimes called a network key or WPA key. If you're not sure what it is, check the label on your home router. Take your time entering it because passwords are case sensitive and capital letters matter. When you're done, tap Join. You'll know you're connected when you see a blue check mark next to your network name and a small Wi-Fi fan icon at the top of your screen. There's also a quick way to do this from Control Center. On newer iPhones, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. On older models with a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it on. If you want to choose a specific network, press and hold the Wi-Fi icon to expand it and then select your network from the list. If something doesn't work right away, here are a few simple fixes. If your phone won't connect, go back to Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and tap the blue Info button next to your network. Choose Forget this network, then try connecting again like we just did. If Wi-Fi still seems fussy, turn your iPhone off and back on. A quick restart often clears up minor glitches. If you see a message that says no internet connection, make sure your router is plugged in and powered on, and check that the signal is strong where you're standing. For convenience, in your Wi-Fi settings, make sure Auto Join is enabled for your home network. That way, your iPhone will reconnect automatically when you come home. And if you prefer larger, simpler icons, you can turn on Assistive Access under Settings, then Accessibility. It reorganizes the interface to make everything easier to see and tap.
That's it. Simple, clear, and you're online.